For this festive appetizer, you'll need some vegan cream cheese. I spotted this brand in Sainsbury's, which is already seasoned with garlic and herbs, so it's good to go. You'll also need cranberry sauce. You can make yours from scratch by boiling down cranberries with sugar and water, but store-bought is fine and convenient if you're making this last minute. You'll need 1 puff pastry sheet. Just make sure the brand you use is vegan friendly. You can also use short crust or phyllo pastry if you prefer. Then for garnishing, you'll need some curly leaf parsley and grated orange zest. I used a 24-cup mini cupcake tin and brushed each section with a bit of neutral oil. I'll leave a link for the tin below if you're interested in getting one. You can also use larger cupcake tins, but you'll need to adjust the size of pastry and quantity of filling. Roll out the pastry sheet and use a knife or pizza cutter to cut it into 24 squares. For accuracy and uniformity, you can measure and draw the outline before cutting. So what you'll need to do is to press each square of dough into the cups and fan out the corners over the top of the pan as I'm doing. This is definitely the sort of appetizer that's perfect for a last-minute festive gathering. Whether it's a Christmas party you've been invited to or a New Year's get-together, it's an easy crowd pleaser with very little effort and few ingredients needed to execute it. Once you've popped the pastry in, use a fork to poke a few holes in the bottom of each one, and this will prevent a soggy base. Another great thing about these bites is that they can be made in advance and served at room temperature, or you can pop them back in the oven for a couple of minutes to warm them up before serving. Fill each pastry cup with a teaspoon of cream cheese, followed by a teaspoon of cranberry sauce. Let me know in the comments below what you will be making for Christmas this year or what your typical Christmas menu is. It's always interesting to hear about the different Christmas traditions that everyone has. Typically in my household we will have like classic Nigerian dishes, but I like to also add in a few new dishes as well. Once your pastry cases are all filled, bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown around the edges. When it's ready, garnish with some fresh parsley and grated orange zest. Other garnish options include chopped nuts, fresh herbs such as sage and chives, and you can use lemon or lime zest instead of orange zest. The great thing about this appetizer is that you can really customize it depending on what you have available. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!